So whose car is this?
This one's mine.
Is this your drift car? You don't drift?
No.
What is this?
It's a 92. It's a Suzuki Cappuccino. It's imported from Japan. It's right-hand drive, 5-speed
Holy
manual.
shoot.
And it's a three-cylinder turbo.
Where's the engine? Can you show it?
Yes, absolutely.
Cappuccino. You said Suzuki? Suzuki Cappuccino. Look at that. Right-hand drive. No big turbo.
It's somewhere in there.
Oh, there is a turbo in there somewhere? What's the horsepower on it?
50.
Get out of here.
The intercooler is about the size of your hand.
Yeah.
50 horsepower.
Oh, yeah. But
That's a straight up tiny battery. Look at that little tiny battery.
50 horsepower, but it's great on gas. I get about 50 miles a gallon.
Really? Wow. How long have you had it?
Just got it about a week ago.
How did you find it?
It's been a dream car for a while, and then I found it on Facebook, and I did a trade for it. I had a BMW I traded for it.
What kind of BMW?
It was a E46.
Really? You traded?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Cappuccino. So what are you going to do with it?
I might repaint it, but other than that, it's staying pretty stock.
Right-hand drive. Is it weird driving on the right-hand side of the car?
It's not weird driving it. It's weird riding in it. You feel like you're supposed to be.
Because you want to drive it, but you're on the other side. Nice. Cool. So I'm going to put you on my YouTube channel. You okay with that? Fine. Cool. All right, everybody. Everyone talk to John here about his... What year is your car?
84.
1984 Ford Mustang 2. It says GT350 on the side.
Mustang 2.
It's not a Mustang 2. What is it?
It's a Mustang.
Just a Mustang.
Yeah.
Okay. And it has GT350 on the side. Tell us about it.
It's a 20th anniversary edition. The first anniversary edition that Ford put out was the 20th. And they called it the GT350 because they just wanted to.
So the 350 badges on the side of it are from the factory?
Yes.
Okay. Did you buy it brand new? Wait, were you the new owner of it?
I'm the last owner.
How many owners does it have?
Who knows?
Oh, who knows? Okay. So what else about it you want to tell us about it?
Well, just working on it to make it look nice.
It's convertible, I see.
It's convertible.
It's manual?
5-speed, yes.
5-speed manual?
It's a 4-liter, 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbo.
Oh, it's turbo?
Yes, that's a turbocharger.
Oh.
And just if you put your hand on it, it's still nice and warm.
Oh, there it is, right there. Yeah, I totally didn't see it at first. Okay.
Yeah.
4-cylinder turbo. Wow, that's really interesting. And you've owned it for how long?
Oh, about 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Where'd you find it?
New Iberia.
New Iberia. Okay.
Move up here. He's coming.
All right.
The spot I vacated.
Well, very nice, John. Thank you very much. All right, guys, we're here at the event I talked about, talking to Michael about his... What year is your car, Mike?
This is a 2009.
2009. C63?
C63.
C63. Let's check it out. You talk. It's your car, you talk.
Yeah.
Tell us all about it.
Sure. So, C63, got the M156 in it. This one here I bought locally. I haven't really touched it since I bought it, so it's still got some blemishes on it we're still working over. But
how long have you had it?
About 7 months, 8 months now. But I'm enjoying it. Every weekend I get in it, do a little driving around, and it's a nice ride. So
is it cleaning up the show under the hood and all that?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
It's a little clean, a little dirty. Everything's there for the most part.
What's the horsepower on it?
I believe this one is about 450-ish in the 450 range.
Yeah, there's that AMG engine.
Yeah, let's go and get the full. Know how they do.
They know how to open the hood up wide too. I'm telling you.
Yeah. So before I got this car, it's had a lot of maintenance, a lot of the bigger maintenance issues taken care of, like the head bolts, cam phasers.
Are those common problems in this car?
Yeah, they are common problems.
What year is it again?
2009.
2009. Okay.
The only other thing that's common with these are the valve tappets, so they have a little. They get worn out. They leak a little bit of oil, but this one hasn't shown signs of that issue yet. But usually people just replace them with a Black Series.
No oil burning.
No,
Nothing like that since you've had it.
it's been nice. I don't drive it a lot, but I treat it like a little baby sometimes. I got a lot of other cars, but this one it does pretty well.
Cool. You see what the interior looks like?
Yeah. Sounds like my little personal.
Yeah, man. I like that interior. I don't like can I open it back?
Yeah, sure.
Like, I don't like black interior.
Yeah, I don't know what's all in there.
I don't like black interior cars, and
Stains in there, but I'm gonna try to recondition the interior a little bit.
because all the S63s I'm looking for, I saw like 12 of them last night on Car Gurus. All of them had black interiors, you know,
Really?
and I don't do black interior. I just don't.
I do like black, man, because the blemishes, children, all that good
Yeah.
stuff.
Well, it's really, really nice, man. I appreciate you, Michael, for talking about it with us.
Yeah, of course.
Very, very nice. Like it.